Yeah, people. So this is the live with Spy showing all her receipt that she have against Chug It promoters. And the original video was 38 minutes and I managed to get it under 15 minutes, just saving all the important parts. Mostly take out all of the repeat parts and mostly like 90% of Spy saying, you know, can sue me, but you know, can win and I'm going to sue you back. So, you know, we get all the important parts and the parts them like the flight information, the email that she sent, the text message that them text her and tell her so the show is 9 o'clock, and then she have what she call human receipt, our makeup artist and our dancer talk about the venue where them using in Miami always lock off about 9 o'clock, right? So I hope you get a fine understanding of what Spice try to say. This is all the court evidence that she have, which she says she going to use against them because she says she will sue them, right? So here goes.
4 a.m. when we get the flight, we send it to Cookie. When Cookie wake up, we go up on the flight, pass the screenshot. Somebody type what them see, your itinerary has been cancelled. Look good. At 2:50 a.m., 9:04, that was this morning, 3 o'clock that. Just tell me if you don't see it. Somebody say cancelled. Cancelled. 2:50, all right? So them I see it, we see it, all right? 2:50 a.m., it say your itinerary has been cancelled. All right. Plan. Andrew, you never know me a plan for you. Start it back. Start it back. It's a blatant disrespect, man, and blatant fuckery. And you know what the worst thing when time people come talk about Uno, not gonna say this and do not go have all kind of something to say. And people come at airport, come sit down all long away pound now and tell me about, oh, you're pulling. I'm pulling the car. You just a rent car when me land 1 hour. Skip it again. No. Hold on. Make sure I make that video, yeah? I'm going to save it because guess what? Uno going to come said this and Uno going to come said that. And I ask you. You see, say me a profit? Uno see, say me a profit? Hold on. Uno see, say me a profit? I airport this me there make video for Uno. I never know say me a plan for Uno long time. Say me have the whole of my receipt them before this happen. Before shit hit the fan. Uno see, say me a profit? Uno see, say me know say something no right, we don't know. Flip back the camera again and play the video again. Different one this. Where the other one? It's a blatant disrespect. Now the same one that. Play back the next one. I try them. You know why I make the video coming after look we do now. And so when I buy a ticket and go back on my yard and go lie down in my bed, you got to hear send me this and you got to hear send me blood clot that. But Chug It, me make sure I make the video from now almost an hour. I sit down at the airport. Me I go home. Remember everything. We don't have no hotel to give me. We don't have to buy more than ticket for come here, so it now go work. Next video. So how it starts. Make sure I make that video, yeah, for Chug It. I don't try to take off my mask. I make that video, yeah, for Chug It, and I make it from now. So I'm at the airport. I sit down out at airport. Almost 1 hour now. I sit down out here, and nobody come pick me up. I mean, I have a ticket for come out Miami. When I buy a ticket and if no ticket I cancel and all, I don't know what to do. I don't want to fuck up my name for no airline because you know so I have to travel. You know, so I come out and come sit down, nobody no come pick me up. Pass the lift receipt, let me show the people them how I left from out of Miami airport. One by one. $7:30 p.m. We landed at 6:30. We land at 6:30. See it ya. From Northwest, Miami-Dade, and whatever the case may be. See it ya, September 4, 7:30 p.m. This is Elsie, my business manager. When you reach at the hotel, what happened?
They had all regular rooms, and we still had to put a card on file. So I'm going back and forth. This is the queen. She never does a regular room. So I'm going back and forth with the people. They're like, it's Labor Day weekend. We don't have any rooms. We, after 30 minutes.
And we have to get to one a suite. And we have to get to one a suite. No room, a regular room. A regular room, them not get no suite. And we have to get to run a regular suite. Else if you work overtime and I tell the people them say, you know, we have an international artist. Can we speak to the manager so we can get on a room? Never book.
Anyway, me see if I can remember what I write. I said this is Spice and I decided to write this email because Ray Alexander have a tendency to be professional, to stay professional, and I want to be very clear that the level of disrespect that I have been receiving is utmost fuckery. Me write that from my email to the Chugit people them. I said first my people went to airport in Jamaica and the flight was cancelled because of bank card issues, resulting me to buying my own flight to come to Miami. Then the dancer flight was cancelled today again. When I land here, there was no car outside to pick me up and I had to call my own car. I said I was mad to go back home. And on the same flight, same time today, I only Andrew French name alone I saved this. But let me be very clear. If I don't receive my full balance per diem and full reimbursement, this is for the reimbursement, because I book my flight, everything. I said if I don't receive my full reimbursement by midday tomorrow, I will take a flight back home and I'm going to go on IG Live so that my fans are aware that I will not be performing at Chugit tomorrow. Because at this point, I don't think Andrew is keeping the show. Let me take off this back off at 10 o'clock last night. Let me take off back this half 5 sitting. Chugit replied to me and said, "Good night, Spice. We must start with a huge, sincere apology for the inconvenience that occurred thus far. We appreciate and we are grateful that you have reached out despite all these major setbacks. We have received the information from parties as you have communicated. We are sending a representative to you." Cause remember, them not send a per diem, them not send nothing, them not pay nothing, them not book no flight, them not do nothing. Them contract breach from last week. Sue me? Hold on. Our parties were made aware of a significant unforeseen issue with the permits.
They deleted the picture.
Them delete the picture? What them a delete it now for? Disrespect, big disrespect. I mean, I sue them for defamation of character. 20 years me I perform and I never miss a show. Me never miss a flight. You never hear a promoter say Spice not their show. Me no run joke when it come to my career. I mean, alone build my career. I mean, now make nobody tear it down. Our parties were made aware. Then put a more detailed one. Hold on. Let us pause because them over them page I post, so I have to read it. We would first like to apologize to all our patrons for the disappointment associated with this staging featuring Spice, as Spice will confirm all obligations to the artists were fulfilled and the full payment was received, inclusive of the deposit, a full balance and other associate expense, more than 6 hours before she was set to perform.
The balance was given at 4 o'clock and we had a performance at 7. So 4, 5, 6.
No, let the lies begin. Because just screenshot this. So when them liar come, all the receipts are here. Just make them go and dig the hole for themselves. The venue from 8:15, however, up until 9:26, our representative did not see her at the venue despite paying her thousands of dollars. And what? Her requirements were met.
Sure wasn't. No writer. Hold on.
No writer.
No hotel.
No, hold on.
No,
that is over Chugit page. That's what they're saying. So at this point, we're really going to do a sue for sue because them continue to defamate, to do a defamation of character. And me are going to make them be an example. You know why me I make them a be example? Because me go through too much to make this happen. And them still I try to put the blame upon me. Hold on. This is from Chugit last night. Our parties were made aware of the significant unforeseen issues with the permits. Them never have no permit for keep Chugit here. That's why 2 o'clock to them, me go tell the people them say, me nah go Chugit, make them run back the people them money. But I follow me, no follow my mind. I beg them, beg me. Them beg me. But me should have follow my mind. If you don't notice earlier to them, I post on Instagram, say I have a big announcement to make about Chugit. But me never follow my mind, and that's why me I get that beat here. Our parties were made aware with the unforeseen issue of the permit and it is now being sorted, and our focus is to rectify this matter with the utmost urgency. Again, we sincerely apologize for these occurrences. Me don't know if I move a picture, but anyway, Andrew sent me back an email today and Andrew talked about him sorry for the delays on the transportation and the flight, and Oh, see it up on the next phone. Good day, Spice. This is French. Your email was sent to my attention on behalf of the team, and I apologize for all the issues and the delays with your transportation and the airport. And we are already taking disciplinary measures, and the personnel who contributed to this, we are happy to have booked you. And additionally, a representative named Mr. Lewis will arrive at the hotel with your full balance, and he came with 15,000, and we wanted to send cash up. You cannot cash at me $6,000. You cannot cash at me. You cannot cash at me. So we telling you, so we don't want no cash up. Because you can't cash at me in the same way like how no card decline and you couldn't buy the flight tickets, cash up and go decline. So me telling you, say cash me water on the vex. You can't cash at me. And he came with a cash app and he's ready to make the payment. Your road manager, Elsie, said she don't want any cash app, all kind of fuckery. You never have it put it up on my phone when time I saw it certain show. If you want to see the performance time, you want to tell me. If you can't see the performance time, you want to type the performance time. See? Leash said 9 p.m. Louis say my performance time is 9 p.m. This is my live receipt now. Hold on there, Deandra.
Yes.
What time did you come here to do my makeup?
I came here about 2:45 so I could set up for 3 o'clock.
All right. What happened when you came at 3 o'clock?
They said the time pushed back. So I said, okay, well, let me know what the update is. So they said you're performing later on at 9 o'clock. So we said, okay, we'll come later on around 7 o'clock to start makeup. So you left the hotel at 3? Yes.
And what happened?
Went back home to come back later.
And you came back here what time?
At what time? 7.
Why you come back at 7 again?
Because they pushed the time back again.
Okay.
So
that is my human receipt.
This is my ground. Me live in Miami, me live in Fort Lauderdale. And me there down here all the time. No part of me come here and say, I wish part them keep it. And I said to the guy, even when they were speaking, I said, on the shore, say 8 o'clock, on really, I lock off the event there because when you have certain things over them rich area there, them things they know
what time it lock off.
Early thing. Normally we have bad party and big bad party we come from Jamaica and in a Winwood them keep it in a Winwood. Them keep it over one part, the side. We out in a ocean water where you can take boat and all these things to come bring a guy the event. And over there so them keep it. And even with that, I explained that to him and him say, oh yeah man, it was just a lot of things and it was so hard to get this and so hard to get that. Not a lie.
Sit down, make them see a professional thing with the round table in the courthouse.
I record, me should have record Louis.
My business manager, today she nearly tell me say, me have to go fire the way the people them have her in a ring of roses. Ring a roses, your pocket full of roses. Asham, them nearly mad way.
All fell down, because clearly we know they know it right now.
They say them mix the girl, them spin her, them twist her, them call her.
Me did dead.
Talk.
Me did dead.
So
this is my human receipt them, cause them talk.
So full?
Lie them lie.
Yeah.
All right. So they knew that the balance was supposed to be paid. Nothing later than 2 p.m. 1:30.
No, but at 12 o'clock, me tell them.
12 o'clock.
I tell them 12 o'clock.
It was 12.
And them call back and switch and I say them have cash up. And me I say cash up, them can't cash up me because them can't no stop cancel. Me don't want no cash up from
Here
them.
you go right here.
So it was 12 o'clock originally. And them still never come to 12 o'clock. And then you tell them, say, here what? Me I go wait until 2 p.m. Or 2 o'clock, them still no come. Them still I say them have cash up, the money short. I be a foolishness. Hey, Andrew, hey. You know what? Me depend on something along, you know. What other receipt me have? What other receipt? He said
They still
he's
never
not
came with
accept
the
the 5,000 cash up. Hold on, flip right here, so. All my business manager have our receipt. Thanks. He said he did not accept the 5,000 cash up. So with the 15,000 cash, so the courier just collected. Hold on. Hold on. The courier just collected the 5,000 from the ticket. Slide it back when say what time this. Them talk to you. Hold on.
Right there.
Oh, you get the time. See time, yeah, hold on. That's a 1:55.
Time is ticking.
Anyway, chug it. My lawyers and I and my receipts are waiting on you. My paper receipts are waiting. My video receipts that I have been videoing all of what you guys been doing from airport till this day are waiting. And all of my human receipts are waiting. And I have all the recording just like how Una have all the recording. So you guys have a good night. Once again, I apologize and I love you guys. Mwah. Una take care. Walk good.